Weekly training schedule. The reason why I'm making a quick video on this one is because there may be time where you're gonna have to switch your schedule around a little bit, and I wanna make sure that you do it right. So this is an example. Every single week that you're gonna be training with TTP, you're gonna have a weekly schedule that will change. Every time is gonna be a different week. On this particular case, Monday morning, you got gym. Monday evening, you've got BMX. Tuesday morning, you've got sprint. Tuesday evening, you've got another BMX session. Wednesday, plyo, conditioning, active recovery, rest, gym, BMX, rest, BMX, and you rest on Sunday morning, and then you rest on Sunday evening. So that would be your weekly schedule. Then you will always receive the breakdown of your session and the total amount of sessions. So on that example, you've got BMX 4 sessions. So you can actually see it here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sprint, you've got 1 session on Tuesday morning. Gym, you've got 2 sessions. Plyometrics, 1 session. Conditioning, 1 session. And an active recovery on Thursday morning. So that's 1 session. And that's a total of 10 sessions. If you have to make few adjustments here, moving things around, you can do so, but at the end of the week, what's the most important things is that you fill out your amount of session. Do not skip any session. They are important. So if at the end of the week, your 10 sessions are there and your 4 sessions of BMX, 1 session sprints, and they're all broke down correctly, you're gonna be good to go. But if you do have to move things around, do so as less as possible, because the way I've put the session in, I made it make sense. Like, in other words, I'm not going to give you a gym session on a Monday and then on Tuesday another gym session. I left it a couple days apart to make sure that your leg can rest. Same thing with your rest period, same thing with your plyo, and so on and so on. So, but in the event that you have to change something, it may be time where, let's say on this example, I put Wednesday evening, I gave you a conditioning workout, and then on Tuesday evening I give you your BMX technique. Well, if your local track happens to be open on the Wednesday evening, you're gonna have to switch those two around. So in that case, you would do BMX on Monday, then on Tuesday evening you would put your conditioning session, and then on Wednesday night that would be your BMX technique. Or let's say another week, rather than always go to that same local track, if you and your friend wants to just hit another track, you can do so. But again, if that other track happens to be open on a Thursday or whenever that is, you may have to switch things around. So again, my advice to you is, if you do this, do it as less as possible and try to be smart with what you're switching around. But at the end of the week, what's going to be important is that all of your sessions are in and you've got the perfect breakdown like I showed to you.